Well, isn't this interesting? I am on the mountain bike trail and I just launched my Skydio 2. You can see it up there. My beacon is not able to connect to it. I got the ready to fly notice and then launched it, and a split second later it said trying to connect to Skydio 2. The drone flew up about 10 feet above my head and 10 feet southeast and is just sitting there. I am wondering what I'm supposed to do now. So it says looking for the Skydio. I've turned the beacon on and off several times. I've tried opening the app a few times. And I'm assuming that at this point, I'm going to have to wait until the battery dies and see if it just auto lands somewhere, hopefully near me and not in China. Anybody have any tips while I'm doing this live video? I'm all ears. There she is back there.